dealing with tax debt, the worst possible scenario is to be assigned to jail. This is because an employee known as a revenue officer, or internally we call him takes over your collections case, and you cannot skirt around him unless you have a legal right to do so. And these guys are like investigators, and they normally do not want to accept any type of resolution until you're all caught up in filing. You change your withholding or start making estimated payments, and they review your full financial impact to see what's the maximum dollar that they could collect from you. And the full financial picture looks like this. You disclose everything summarized on a form called 433A, and every item on the 433A has to be backed up with supporting documentation, which include lists of number one of all your income sources, second, reasonable allowable living expenses, and your asset information has fair market value as well as loans against it. And this person, if you actually miss the deadline and they have the right to do action against you, they will. And they'll continuously do so. Under certain conditions, you could file an appeal, which is known as CDP request, or a lesser unofficial one known as a CAP request, where you could ask a managerial or the Office of Appeals Oversight that may override an IRS decision, which could sometimes be a good thing, because you might have some better news dealing with somebody else than that primary revenue officer. Typically, when you owe $1 million or more in personal income tax, it would get assigned to revenue officer. And regarding payroll issues, the moment the threshold reaches $25,000 of payroll issues. If you have some IRS tax debt and you're looking for some professional help, we do offer a free case review. Comment IRS Tax 911. My team will reach out and support you.